So it's time for me to do my sway bar bushing. This is my old one that was causing me all the annoying noise. It basically fell out. I've got a pack of new ones here. Let's go through. Install should be pretty quick. Brackets right there behind the control arm, whatever they call it, and we'll get on that and see how it goes. So here we go in the driveway. Just turn the tire a bit to get some space. It's a little tight, but try with my 12 millimeter. I don't know what size it is, but it's either 12 or 14. I needed to loosen it, not tighten it. Definitely a little crusty. Oh, great. Good job. Knocked over the camera. There we go. I'm trying to make sure it's in the shot. This is officially one of the easiest things I've had to deal with. New bushing. It's got a split to go around the rod. Threw some grease on it. Just get a little lubrication. Look at that. Fits right on. A little bit snug, which is kind of nice. And there it goes, back together. That'll do wonders for the thumping noise in the cab. All right, tight. There we go. Cool. Well, that'll stop that rattle. Thunk, thunk, thunk. There we go. Thanks for watching. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. I'll talk to you later. I just got the sway bar bushing replaced. I'm taking it right down the road. That's got some bumps in it that normally caused the bushing to bang on the frame. Right here. That one's pretty smooth, and yeah, it works out great. Bushing's nice and tight. It's not rattling at all. A little bit of tool rattle in the back, but nothing from the bumps. So I'd say that is done, problem solved. And Thanks for watching.